Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of Central Mine Planning and Design Institute Limited. We offer consultancy and support services for the entire spectrum of coal and mineral exploration and mine planning and design services. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution directly or indirectly in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and Central Mine Planning and Design Institute Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated May 26, 2025. Central Mine Planning and Design Institute Limited IPO, comprising of an offer for sale of up to 71,400,000 equity shares of face value of 2 rupees by Coal India Limited. The proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. Central Mine Planning and Design Institute Limited was incorporated on November 1, 1975, with its registered and corporate office at Ranchi, Jharkhand, India. We offer consultancy and support services for the entire spectrum of coal and mineral exploration and mine planning and design services. Our services include infrastructure engineering, environmental management, geomatics, specialized technology services, and management systems, primarily for the coal industry as well as for other minerals. We are the largest coal and mineral consultancy in India in terms of market share in fiscal 2025 and are the preferred consultant for Coal India Limited. Source: CRISIL report. Our services span the entire life cycle of mining operations, ranging from initial exploration to closure of mines. The CRISIL report has been exclusively commissioned and paid for in connection with the offer, and any reliance on such information for making an investment decision in the offer is subject to inherent risks. Our company was incorporated on November 1, 1975 as a wholly owned subsidiary of Coal India Limited, and we were conferred the status of Mini Ratna Category 2 company in 2009 and were further upgraded to the status of Mini Ratna Category 1 company in 2019. We assist the Ministry of Coal in strategic decisions and initiatives relating to coal sector at the national level, for instance, through maintaining inventories of coal deposits, coal mining potentials and operations. We also assist Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas for matters related to coal bed methane (CBM). We function as the nodal agency on behalf of Government of India for schemes funded by Ministry of Coal, including science and technology projects, exploration work in non-Coal India Limited blocks, and for projects funded by Coal India Limited Research and Development Board. We classify our business into the following key business verticals: geological exploration and resource evaluation, mine planning and design services, environmental planning and monitoring services, geomatics, remote sensing and survey services. As of March 31, 2025, we operated a network of 8 well-equipped laboratories located across various coal fields, which are also staffed by a dedicated team with technical experience in coal testing. Our laboratories are equipped to offer comprehensive testing facilities for both bore core coal samples and run-of-mine coal samples, covering both coking and non-coking coal. Investors should note the following important risks. A significant portion of our revenues is derived from Coal India Limited and its subsidiaries. Coal India Limited and its subsidiaries accounted for 67.1%, 80.2% and 82.7% of our revenue from operations in fiscals 2025, 2024 and 2023 respectively. Any decline in demand for our services from Coal India Limited and or its subsidiaries could have an adverse impact on our business, results of operations, financial condition and cash flows. We depend on a limited number of vendors in our exploration activities to provide services such as core drilling, geophysical logging, borehole testing, and other field-based technical services and for our security services. And any disruptions in their supply of services could adversely affect our business, results of operations, financial condition and cash flows. A significant part of our business transactions are with government entities or agencies. In the fiscals 2025, 2024 and 2023, we generated 97.8%, 97.8% and 99.3% respectively of our total revenue from operations from transactions with government entities or agencies, which may expose us to various risks, including additional regulatory scrutiny and delayed collection of receivables. A significant portion of our revenues is derived from our geological exploration and resource evaluation services, which accounted for 46.2%, 38.6% and 39.3% of our revenue from operations in fiscals 2025, 2024 and 2023 respectively. Any decline in demand for our geological exploration and resource evaluation services could have an adverse impact on our business, results of operations, financial condition and cash flows. Estimates relating to ongoing and new projects and plans in relation to existing operations are uncertain, and the projects may incur higher costs and lower economic returns than estimated, which may have an adverse impact on our business, results of operations, financial condition and cash flows. The promoters of our company is Coal India Limited, who holds 100% of the pre-issue, issued, subscribed and paid up equity share capital of the company. We have 5 directors, which includes 3 executive directors and 2 non-executive directors, and we do not have any independent director on our board. Company's revenue from operations for the years ended March 31, 2025, March 31, 2024 and March 31, 2023 was 21,027.6 million rupees, 17,326.9 million rupees and 13,860.9 million rupees respectively. The EBITDA margin, percentage of total income for the financial year ended March 31, 2025, March 31, 2024 and March 31, 2023 was 42.1%, 43.2% and 28.3% respectively. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including pages 251, for further information on financials and related information. There are outstanding litigation proceedings involving the company, directors and corporate promoter, senior management. Any adverse outcome in such proceedings may have an adverse impact on our reputation, business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows. For further details, see outstanding litigation and material developments on page 408 of the DRHP. The promoter's selling shareholder will be entitled to the entire proceeds of the offer after deducting its portion of the offer expenses and relevant taxes thereon. Our company will not receive any proceeds from the offer. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 50% of the net offer to qualified institutional buyers, QIBs, not less than 15% to non-institutional bidders, NIBs, and not less than 35% to retail individual bidders. The offer includes a reservation for subscription by eligible employees and eligible shareholder. The equity shares are proposed to be listed on BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. IDBI Capital Markets and Securities Limited and SBI Capital Markets Limited are the book-running lead managers to the issue. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the issue unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated May 26, 2025 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither the company nor the promoter are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video, and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the issue for making any investment decision.